Prepare to be astonished.
Hello everyone, my name is Luna. Today I'm gonna read Sideways One and Many. Some of the girls have one. Some of the girls have many. Some of the boys have one. Some of the boys have many. Some of the puppies have one. Some of the puppies have many. Some of the squirrels have one. Some of the squirrels have many. Some of the mice have one. Some of the mice have many. Some of the birds have one. Some of the birds have many. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, my name is Luna. Today I'm going to read What Word Do You Play? Do you play with a rabbit? Yes, I like the rabbit. Do you play with the lion? No, I do not like the lion. Do you play with the lamb? Yes, I like the lamb. Do you play with the alligator? No, I do not like the alligator. Do you play with the goat? Yes, I like the goat. Do you play with the bear? No, I do not like the bear. Do you play with the farm? Yes, I like the farm. Do you play with the rhino? No, I do not like the rhino. Hello everyone, my name is Luna. Today I'm going to talk about Edward was with. He was with my dog. I was with my cat. He was with his frog. I was with my turtle. She was with the lamb. I was with my goat. She was with her rabbit. I was with my mouse. He was with his goose. I was with my duck. He was with his calf. I was with my pony. She was with a rooster. I was with the peacock. She was with her seal. I was with my bear. Bye-bye.